Finding stillness, a journey inwards. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, hold it, now gently release the breath. Feel the tension leaving your body. This is the beginning of your journey inwards, a journey to the center of your being, where peace and potential reside. The world outside is full of noise, a cacophony of demands competing for your attention. But within you, there is a sanctuary of silence, a space of pure consciousness waiting to be explored. Meditation is the key to unlocking this inner sanctuary. It is the practice of quieting the mind, of stilling the constant chatter that prevents us from accessing our true potential. In this stillness, we connect with our higher selves, with the infinite intelligence that permeates the universe. We open ourselves to a world of possibilities, where dreams are not just fantasies, but seeds of reality waiting to be nurtured. Let's begin with a simple counting exercise. This technique, often used in the Silver method, gently guides your mind into a state of deep relaxation and heightened awareness. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling peace and exhaling tension with each breath. Now slowly count down from 10 to 1. With each number, visualize yourself descending a staircase, each step taking you deeper into relaxation. 10, 9, 8. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the chair, the floor supporting you completely. 7, 6, 5. Your mind is becoming quiet, your thoughts like clouds drifting across a clear blue sky. 4, 3, 2. You are entering a state of deep peace and tranquility. 1. You have arrived. Imagine yourself in a beautiful garden. This is your inner sanctuary, a place where anything is possible, where limitations dissolve into the fertile soil of imagination. The air is fresh and fragrant, filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers. Lush greenery surrounds you, vibrant and alive. A gentle breeze whispers through the leaves, carrying with it the promise of new beginnings. This garden is yours to cultivate. Here, you are free to plant the seeds of your desires, to nurture them with the power of your intention. Take a moment to explore this garden. Feel the soft grass beneath your feet, the warmth of the sun on your skin. Breathe deeply and allow yourself to be present in this moment of infinite possibility. Now, repeat after me with conviction and belief. Unlock your mind. Say it again, this time feeling the words resonating throughout your entire being. Unlock your mind. You have within you the power to create the life of your dreams. All that you desire, all that you can imagine, is within your reach. But first, you must unlock your mind from the limiting beliefs and self-doubt that hold you back. You are not your thoughts. You are the conscious awareness that observes those thoughts. You have the power to choose which thoughts to entertain, which beliefs to empower. Choose to believe in yourself, in your unlimited potential. Choose to unlock the extraordinary power that lies dormant within you. Section 5. Permission to dream. Embracing the extraordinary. For too long, you may have told yourself that you are not good enough, not smart enough, not worthy of an extraordinary life. These are lies whispered by the voice of fear. Today, you give yourself permission to silence that voice. Today, you embrace the truth of who you are, a magnificent being of light and love, capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Repeat after me. I give myself permission to live an extraordinary life. Say it again with feeling. I give myself permission to live an extraordinary life. Embrace this permission with open arms. Allow yourself to dream big, to envision a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Section 6. Living the dream. Now is your time. The time for dreaming is over. The time for action is now. Repeat after me. Let your life begin right now. Not tomorrow, not someday, but right now. in this very moment. You have the power to choose a different path, to create a new reality for yourself. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect circumstances. There will never be a better time than now to start living your dreams. Take a moment to truly embody this affirmation. Notice now how you have all you ever dreamed of. Feel it in your heart. Believe it in your soul. Your dreams are not distant fantasies. They are within your grasp. Section 7. Vibrant health, wealth, and prosperity. Your body is a temple, a sacred vessel for your spirit. Fill it with love, nourish it with healthy food, and move it with joy. Repeat after me. I am happy and grateful that I am living all my dreams right now. Visualize yourself vibrating at a high frequency, radiating health, wealth, and prosperity. Feel the energy coursing through your veins, invigorating every cell of your being. Affirm with me. I am happy and grateful that each cell of my body vibrates at the frequency of total health, wealth, and prosperity. Believe it. Embrace it. You are a magnet for all good things. Section 8. Abundance flows, effortless and exponential. Abundance is your birthright. It flows to you easily and effortlessly from multiple sources on a frequent and consistent basis. Release any beliefs that tell you otherwise. Open yourself to receive the infinite abundance that the universe has to offer. Repeat after me. I am so happy and grateful right now that money comes to me easily, effortlessly, and exponentially from multiple sources on a frequent and consistent basis every day. Feel the truth of these words resonating deep within you. Money is simply energy, and energy flows where attention goes. Focus on abundance, and abundance will flow into your life. Gap 3S, Section 9, Awakening to Awareness. It's time to bring yourself back to the present moment, feeling refreshed and revitalized. We'll count backwards from 5 to 1, and with each count, allow yourself to become more awake and aware, ready to embrace the extraordinary life that awaits you. 5. Feel the energy returning to your body, starting from your toes and moving upwards. 4. Begin to notice the sounds around you, becoming more aware of your surroundings. 3. Take a deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs, and exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension. 2. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the sensation of movement and life. 1. Open your eyes, fully awake and aware, ready to step into a world of vibrant health, wealth, and prosperity. Welcome back. Now is your time to shine. Section 9. Gratitude, the key to unlocking it all. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the door to abundance. When you are grateful for what you have, you attract even more to be grateful for. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude in all that you do. Be thankful for the air you breathe, the food you eat, the roof over your head. Be grateful for the challenges that make you stronger and the lessons that help you grow. As you go about your day, carry with you the affirmations you have learned today. Repeat them often with feeling and conviction. Remember, you have within you the power to create an extraordinary life. Unlock your mind, embrace your potential, and let your life begin right now.